Today we're going to make this adorable wreath using nothing but a Q-tip. Let's get started. First, I'm going to add a couple of drops of water to one end of the Q-tip so that I can loosen up the cotton, and I want to pull it off of this end of the Q-tip so it's just down to that little cardboard piece. Then I'm going to take turns with these two greens, the holly branch and the spring green, and I'm going to take that cardboard end and just kind of scratch a circle, kind of making little lines to make all of the kind of dimension and branches that come in a wreath. So it takes a lot of dipping because not very much stays on the end of the cardboard, but the best way I can describe it is I was kind of scratching it into this little Santorini stone. And then when you start to use the lighter color green, you can really see the dimension kind of come out in the wreath. And I started fluffing kind of branches toward the middle and the outer edge to just make it feel nice and full. Just to give it a little sparkle, I'm going to take that same cardboard end and add a little bit of the extreme hologram glitter paint just to give it a little sparkle, a little more dimension in the branches. It's very light and iridescent. It's perfect for this. Now I'm going to take this flag red paint and the other end of the Q-tip that I've wet a little bit so we don't have strings of cotton, and I'm just going to add little bunches of 3 dots for the holly berries. And how's that for an adorable, easy rock painting design using only a Q-tip? Challenge accepted. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch, and I'll see you next time. Take care.